Welcome back, everyone. The time is now 4:45. And Todd, I don't know if this is the case for a lot of Mainers, but I just turned the heat on in my house.
Did you? Wait, so it hasn't been on at all yet?
No.
Do you live like
I live in
like
South
a third
Portland.
or fourth?
Second floor.
Second floor, okay. Yeah, I mean, that makes sense,
Yeah.
I guess. And because you work early mornings, you're not in the house at the coldest part of the day.
Right.
Right? So I can see how you can get away with that. But yeah, a morning like this, it's pretty chilly out there. I think a lot of people have caved and turned the heat on at this point.
Yeah.
So, you know, there have been a couple of cold mornings. But for the most part, we're making out, you know, and we're going to get another week or so of these mild temperatures. So that's all good. That's all good. Not a whole lot of fog out there this morning, but it is clear. It is colder. It is calm. So there probably is going to be a little bit in some of the river valleys that are out there. And you can see that there are towns down in the 20s, like Freiburg and Sanford. Berlin, New Hampshire's 24 right now. Rumford's 29, Lewiston's 27, 32 Wiscasset as you head out through the mid-coast. We look east, Norge Walk, 28 degrees, Herman's 29 degrees, so is Wesley. And then up north, you find some 20s all the way to Escort Station, where it's 27 right now. Warm front is just north of us. That's where the thicker clouds are. We've got a high right over us. It does have a little bite to the air right now. It's not going to be as warm as yesterday, but it will tomorrow and the days ahead. In fact, it'll be warmer than yesterday as our temperatures start to rise back up into the upper 60s, close to 70. Quiet morning for us, some frost and patchy fog. Temperatures in the 40s by the time you get out the door probably. Statewide, midday sunshine. Temps make a nice, healthy recovery back through the 50s after this cold morning. And then we'll touch 60 this afternoon. The breeze is going to stir, though, and that'll add a bit of a wind chill. So even though we get to 60 degrees, it'll feel a little cooler than that, especially near the ocean, near the water, where the wind will be kind of uninhibited because it's going to be coming out of the south. So you'll notice it more there. High temperatures along the coastline, either side of 60, and kind of the same thing inland, too. Lewiston gets to 61, Bangor 59, 58 Greenville. The mildest numbers will be over in the Granite State, where it's mid-60s from Coos County, Berlin, New Hampshire, all the way down the Merrimack Valley. This ridge of high pressure is going to hold through the entire weekend. Tomorrow we get close to 70, Saturday and Sunday the same. On Sunday, there'll be a front, though, beating into this ridge. And while there'll be a few showers around, probably up in the mountains, get some sprinkles, there will definitely be some more clouds around on Sunday. So it's not going to be as bright, but it will be as warm. And then this front, while it falls apart, does get through us, and the cold air will start to bleed in early next week. Monday's still nice and mild, but Tuesday it really starts to chill down. It'll probably be the coldest air mass that we've had to date this season. As far as rainfall goes, when this front is passing, there still isn't going to be much. It's kind of a moisture-starved front. The most numerous showers would be up in the mountains where we could get, say, a quarter of an inch or so of rain. But there may be some towns that don't get a drop at all as the front passes. It's more about the air mass change, going from warm to cold. Marine forecast, seas 2 to 3, southwest winds 10 to 20 knots today, water temp 55 degrees. All right, here's the 7-day forecast. There's a lot of good in it. Today, sunny but chilly, highs in the upper 50s, close to 60. We'll jump 10 degrees tomorrow, much warmer, upper 60s with sunshine. And then abnormally warm on Saturday, and there's possibly going to be some records there on Saturday, 70. We flip the clocks back an hour Saturday night into Sunday morning. Means we gain an extra hour of sleep. There'll be a lot more cloud cover around on Sunday, though, and maybe a shower Sunday night into Monday morning. And then we'll start clearing out again, get sunny again, but it will be turning colder as our MRAS goes from, upper 60s to 70, closer to 50 degrees, and some overnight lows in the 20s. Like Wednesday morning, yeah, I think everybody in the state will have caved and turned the heat on by next Wednesday morning.
At least we're going to have another solid weekend.
Yeah, another great weekend, for sure.
Thank you, Todd.